Just doing a quick teardown of a JVC AC adapter charger, model AA-V16. This is for a GR-AXM225 camcorder, but I figured I'd do it separate from this video just because the camcorder teardown is going to be super long. At least that's the prediction. And I figured maybe for some strange reasons I want to see what the inside of this looks like, so I figured I'd just do it separately. I did have this plugged in for recording, so hopefully no shocky bits. Just zoom in there while I'm not holding it, so nice stable image. I'm afraid this has a charge on it, probably. Looks like there's an internal fuse, which in theory a person could, I don't know, it's soldered in. So yeah, no hopes of getting to that internal fuse if it blows. I'm just gonna flip this over, I'll shake, and yep. Looks to be properly designed, lots of isolation between input voltage and output. Some isolation slots. Don't think there's an output isolator. Might be an opto isolator built into that chip for all I know. But yeah, so pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Hopefully that's helpful or interesting, but I will be doing a separate video of the camcorder.